Namaskar, summary of Assam Tribune, 14th August. Number 1, Maldives. India has announced a $500 million assistance package for the Maldives, including air, sea, intra-island and telecommunication connectivity in an effort to help the nation deal with the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Republic of Maldives is a small island nation in the Indian Ocean. Its capital is Malé and its currency is Maldivian rupiah. Number 2, Flood Early Warning System. The National Disaster Management Authority has launched the Urban Flood Early Warning System that is fused to predict floods in Guwahati. This is first such initiative in the Northeast. The system has been developed by the Energy and Resources Institute in association with Assam State Disaster Management Authority and India Meteorological Department. Number 3, the Energy and Resources Institute. TERI is a non-profit research institution that conducts research work in the fields of energy, environment and sustainable development. It was established in 1974 as Tata Energy Research Institute and was renamed in 2003 as the Energy and Resources Institute. Its key focus lies in promoting clean energy, water management, pollution management, sustainable agriculture and climate resilience. Number 4, India Meteorological Department. Formed in 1875, IMD is the chief government agency dealing with everything related to meteorology, seismology and associated subjects. The administrative responsibilities of the department are under the supervision of the Ministry of Earth Sciences of the Government of India, and its headquarters is in New Delhi. Admission is going on for online batch of APSC and various other government exams. Courses to be conducted by the expert faculties of Lucent IS. Contact the numbers provided in the screen for more details. Number 5, Transparent Taxation Honoring the Honest. The latest tax reform introduced by Prime Minister Modi is aimed at bringing transparency in income tax systems and empowering taxpayers. The main features of the platform are faceless assessment, faceless appeal and taxpayer charter. What is faceless assessment? It aims to eliminate human interface between the taxpayer and the income tax department. There will be no need for a taxpayer to visit the income tax office or the officer. Number 6, National Flag of India. The National Flag of India was accepted in its present form during a meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 22nd July of 1947. The National Flag of India was designed by Pingali Venkaiah. He was an Indian freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh. According to the law, the National Flag of India is to be made by Khadi. The Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission have the manufacturing right to make the National Flag of India. Number 7, Renuka Devi Borkotaki. Renuka Devi Borkotaki was a former union minister, trade unionist and Red Cross activist from Assam. Borkotaki was the first woman from Assam to become a minister in the central government. She was the Union Minister of State for Education, Social Welfare and Culture in the Janata Party government led by Prime Minister Morarji Desai from 1977 to 1979. Number 8, Anglo-Manipur War of 1891. Manipur observed August 13 as the Patriots' Day to commemorate the 1891 Anglo-Manipur War, in which scores of people sacrificed their lives to safeguard the independence of the land. The Anglo-Manipur War was an armed conflict between the British government and the Kingdom of Manipur. The war was fought between 31st March and 27 April of 1891. It resulted in the victory of British. The battle was fought at the Kheba Hills of Khongjam in Manipur, and it is also known as Khongjam War. Khongjam Day is celebrated on 23rd April. Number 9, Rivers of Assam. Brahmaputra and Barak are the two primary river systems in Assam. Some important tributaries of River Brahmaputra are on the north bank Khonkoh, Ai, Manas, Beki, Pagladia, Baralia, Puthimari, Dhansiri North, Jia Bhoroli, Subansiri, Ranganati, etc. And on the south bank, Krishnai, Dudhnoi, Kolong, Kopili, Digaro, Dhansiri South, Dikho, Bhogdoi, Dihing, Disang, etc. Some important tributaries of Barak River are Jadukata, Jiri, Jatinga, Bogapani, Sonai, Longai, Singra, etc. Number 10, Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea is the first Indian product to receive a geographical indication tag in 2004-5 under Geographical Indications of Goods Act of 1999. Unlike most Indian teas, Darjeeling tea is made from the small-leaved Chinese variety of Camellia sinensis rather than the large-leaved Assam plant. Tea plantation in Darjeeling was started in 1841 by Archibald Campbell, a civil surgeon of the Indian Medical Service. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for regular updates.